Alright, I am live. Sorry, let me pull this up. Okay. Hello everyone. Oh shoot, I forgot the intro music. I am so sorry. Give me one moment. Please. Please. Also, I'm testing out a new microphone, so apologies if it sounds weird. Also I'm at like 10% battery, so I'll have to unplug soon and just use my desktop microphone. I won't be talking much anyway because I'm just gonna be programming. So see how that goes. But yeah. I have songs here. Hmm. Am I going crazy? I'm sorry. Hmm. That is a bit loud. Wait, how does it sound on OBS though? Oh man. Oh, I can just put a filter on this and oh, that's a genius. I can just do a filter and then do gain instead of like way up. Alright, that works. Hello everyone, welcome to my stream. I am going to be attempting the impossible challenge of learning how to use the object-oriented programming language, C#, and also the Unity platform properly enough to participate in the PirateSoftware Game Jam and reasonably have a chance of getting top 10, which is my hope. I know it's very unlikely, but if it actually does happen, that'd be really great. Maybe even for my channel, like I mentioned. But you know, it's gonna be tough. But it's all about trying, you know, and giving it your all and putting yourself out there, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. I know it seems ridiculous to learn all of this in 12 days because it's currently January 5th and the game jam starts on January 17th. Yeah, it's really stressful, but I'm gonna see how much I can learn. I already have done some of these sort of streams before, and I have finished the Bro Code playlist, which was about, I mean, like, I have very surface level understanding of multi-threading, but I know how interfaces work, I know how classes and constructors, objects, blah blah blah, that stuff works. So, hopefully I can, cause I don't know what my next step is. I can either try to learn more from the tutorials, or I can get started on Unity. I think my best shot here is getting started on Unity because I'll at least diversify, because Unity is required if I want to do this. I'll at least diversify my attention, so I'll start on Unity, and if I start on Unity, then I can at least get some understanding of how to navigate the UI, and sort of surface level understanding of how to tie that together with Visual Studio, which is it's the platform for coding, which you can see on screen now. And if I can make those compatible enough and do the work, then I can make some basic games, or I actually do the PirateSoftware Game Jam, and then I'll know enough about hopefully making games that I can manage my time accordingly and make something that's somewhat reasonable. I know it's kind of a big assumption for myself that I'm going to win or get top 10 even in this game jam that has thousands of participants, but I personally genuinely believe that I have even if it's not coding or artistic skill, the game design skill to make a fun game in theory. Of course, it's all about execution, but I believe that if I do it right and I pour my heart and soul into it, and also my mind, and do it properly, I can get top 10. That's my personal belief. But we'll see what happens. I'll try not to get upset if I don't get top 10, obviously. It's pretty likely. But you know, in the right circumstance that even if I got 10th place, I'd be so happy. I'd be so happy. Jumping up and down with joy. I'd be bragging to all my friends about it. All my end. You do not know how happy I would be if I got top 10 on that. But we'll just see what happens, and even if I don't win, I hope I at least make a good game out of the jam, you know? Something that I'm satisfied with. Not necessarily some judge or some other person higher up who's, seeing whether it's a good game or not, but I want to make a good game that's fun to play for myself. And, it'll at least be a learning experience for myself, and we'll see what happens. So, here we go. Also, I should probably mention, I'm sorry I haven't really uploaded much recently. I also had plans for Let's Play Game 4, but I kind of semi-canceled them. I kind of don't really... It's weird, I kind of don't really want to work on a series anymore. It's just kind of not as fulfilling. Like, the idea of it is kind of fulfilling, but it's just like... It's... In practice, it's not really fulfilling for me. I'm not really having fun making it. And I already made the third one, which is the only one I felt like I needed to make. Maybe I'll make it far into the future or something, I don't know. But, yeah. I hope I can get more uploads soon. I had ideas for, like, also I had a personal update, but stupid, Imagery Resolve wouldn't export it properly so I can upload it. But I'll try to upload it soon. And then also, I hope this song is copyright free. I don't like the song. I want to add this song. Add to playlist. Alright, there we go. Sorry for production. One more thing. I had ideas for like a sort of interactive Squid Game YouTube video, because I know I do those interactive game videos. I thought it'd be cool if I made like a Squid Game theme one, and you go in and you make different choices, and they sort of affect how the different characters that I will be playing as interact with you and how you pass through different games. Might be a bit of a reach though, because it's kind of hard to estimate that kind of stuff. You know, humans are notoriously bad at managing time. But you know, we'll see what happens, and I hope I can do this. I believe that I've got this, got it in me, to make something worthwhile. Okay, testing, my desktop microphone, I'm so sorry. If the stream crashed or something, oh man, please tell me the stream didn't crash. Oh, sweet, okay, it didn't crash. Didn't crash, my computer ran out of battery, and then I had to quickly plug it in so nothing went wrong. Um, bro, is this even streaming? Bro, what? Okay, sweet. Everything seems to be running smoothly. I hope. Um, one viewer, stream health, analytics, blah blah blah. Zero viewers, okay. Um, yeah, sorry about that. Sorry, my mic also sounds like really bad probably because I'm using my desktop audio. I should probably add filters to this just to at least increase the volume. We'll do like 5. Alright, testing now. That's pretty good. Okay. Yeah, sorry about that. I'll try to distract from my terrible microphone because the Levier lapel mic Fanamajig I got. I only have one opening to put the charger in, and this uses the same hole as the charger, so I can't use it right now. Um, I can distract from my bad audio by just playing some nice music. That'd be pretty sweet. And I'm just gonna be learning all this in 12 days. Okay, I got this, I got this. So just, I gotta believe in myself, and I can achieve anything if I do that. I may have to call my dad quite a lot, though, because he has better understanding of, like, computers and software, and, like, he's really good at, like, Java and stuff, so I might be calling him a lot. I don't know, I need help. But, yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay. Alrighty, oh, right. I should get my headphones so that I can play the music without it affecting the microphone. That'd be pretty sweet. Okay. Sorry, give me a second. I'll be right back. Bye-bye. Give me a second. Alright, I'm back. We'll see how this headphones thing goes. Wait, I hear that. Um, Behind it. That looks nice. That's kind of weird. I don't know. The pop noise weird. What? That's crazy. Like this. Oh, silly. What? Bro. Okay. See how that sounds. Okay, wait. That sounds pretty good, okay. Oh, wait, no, because now I need Oh, Biscuit, I'm sorry you can't be in here. Alright, let's do this. Time to lock in. I'm gonna actually apply myself for once. Let's do this. Okay.
It's never too late to admit when you're wrong. Turn a new leaf, see a new dawn. The time to decide has come and gone.
If you want to know this song, wait. This is my desktop audio, right? I think so. This song is called Redshift by Robert Chacon Roberta Sepulveda. I hope I didn't butcher that, but it's called Redshift. Yeah, but if you want to know the song, yeah. Okay. Time to learn C#, I guess. And immediately, the intimidating task of trying to make something. I got this, come on. Okay.
I look at stars fill the frame. They say we're lost without aim. Today the stars will read red. Soon blue will guide us instead. I look at stars fill the frame. They say
Right, it's even bookmarks, that's why.
today the stars will read red.
Oh no, I gotta remove some of these bookmarks.
I look at stars fill the frame. They say we're lost without aim. Today the stars will read red. Soon blue will guide us instead. Restless wonders
Oh god. Okay, I have like 5 or 6 different Unity tutorial things, and then like 9, 10 different YouTube channels for C# tutorials. Oh man, okay.
You actually see
Oh man.
the ads
okay.
disappear as they're blocked in real time if you enable visual mode. Isn't it the worst when you're surfing online, shopping?
On this screen, scroll down and tick Game Development with Unity and untick Unity Hub because we already have it. Yum.
Okay. I want to put this on screen too. Put this on screen. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Bring it right down here. Alright. Oh my gosh.
We don't need to make an account to use Visual Studio, so skip that and don't bother loading it. We'll
Gotta do Pomodoro method, right? Make sure I'm doing everything right here. Let's do like do like at least 30 minutes on the clock. Okay.
open it later. Okay, that's all done now. So in Unity Hub, pick New Project, choose All Templates and use 2D Core. This is an empty project with a few configurations to make it suitable for 2D games. Give your project a name, hit Create, and
Launch with Unity. Okay, Unity engine starting up. We'll commit mukbang here. Look at that. Healthy. Healthy. Come on. I don't know what happened. Oh, I'm so sorry. I gotta pull my stuff. Right. I'm just launching the Unity engine right now, so it's like halfway through. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna put it on screen once it launch once it's done. Wait, can I just do it now? I bet I can. Unity.exe compiling script. It's on top here. Well, it's just a black box right now. You can just do it like that. That's pretty funny. I don't even know if I have the CPU to run this. So many applications open. Wow. Sometime into this challenge I made for myself, I have so many tabs open, and I have so much stuff simultaneously running, and I have like this big ass Unity project, and then my whole stream is gonna crash because my CPU is being used up so much. Oh, finally. Alright.
Shoot me down, but fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight.
Well, how do I turn off snapping? Bro, I need to disable snapping right now. How do I disable snapping? Settings.
Push me down to the ground. What goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out. You can't get to me. Say what you wanna say. Go take it all away. But I'm here to stay. No, you can't get to me. And there is no
I'm sorry, I'm trying to figure out how to
that I can tear away.
disable snapping on OBS because it's so stupid. Tools. Maybe we can just ignore it. Or no. Oh, it's so glaring though. It's so glaring. Wait, should I put it like right there? And then scale up. Scale us down a bit. Alright. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright. Now we got Unity open. Let's close Unity Hub. Okay. Oh, there's so much stuff. System overload. Why am I learning 2D first?
Let's get game making. In step 1, we're going to become familiar with the default Unity user interface, and as we explore the different panels, we'll make the bird appear on screen. Right, so this is the default screen layout for Unity, and it's split into 4 panels. First of all, down here is the Project panel. This will contain everything that is in our game, like sprites, sound effects, scripts, tiles, fonts, and so on. Some of this stuff will be made in Unity as we go along, but we can also just drag and drop files from elsewhere on our computer. Like, I've made some sprites for the bird and the pipe in Photoshop, and I'm going to import them into my project like so. I'd recommend you make your own, that's always more fun, but if you have zero artistic ability, then check the description for these assets. The next panel is...
Yeah, I don't want to work for it. I'm gonna go to the description. Oh my god. I have to open all my tabs again. Sorry, I just got this downloaded thing. Oh my goodness. Alright, Unity tutorial. Unzip. Alright, I just want to take this stuff out here, please. Let's go. Let me copy it. Okay. Now we're going to delete the zip file. We're just going to make a new file, or new folder called Unity Assets. And then we're gonna go in this and we're gonna add a couple more folders. We're gonna name one of these 2D assets. And new 3D assets. Might as well make one like or cosmic particle effects. You know, people like to add this sometimes. And then objects. Why is OneDrive giving me an error? Please, dude. Okay, 3 particle effect, 3 objects, and I'll call this one objects. And 2D particle effects. Okay. See, there should not be an error there. I didn't even use up all my... Okay. I mean, unless my thing, like, crashes or something, because it's, like, the actual system is using up too much. But we're going to take... these Unity assets. Oh, 2D assets. Objects.
We'll call this floppy blorb. Okay. Everything is organized now. Now I need to open up all of the tabs that I closed before so y'all can actually see what I'm doing here. Alright, that looks good. That looks good. That looks good.
Is the hierarchy.
Like the song real quick, because this song's kind of cool. Why is this song kind of a bop? It's called Hope by Retrovision, by the way. And then also the previous one that I liked was called like... That was just Windfall by the Fat Rat. The previous one was Heavyweight by Red Moon. That's kind of a bop, I'm not gonna lie. Alright.
This contains all of the stuff that's in the current scene, which in most games will be a level. We're going to start by making the bird, so right-click and choose Create Empty. This has made an empty game object.
Alright, I gotta import my assets. Wait. You got favorites, and then you got assets, scenes.
Tiles, fonts, and so on. Some of this stuff will be made in Unity as we go along, but we can also just drag and drop files from elsewhere on our computer. Like, I've made some sprites for the bird and the pipe in Photoshop, and I'm going to import them into my project like so. I'd recommend you make your own.
So import new asset. Oh, okay. Import new asset. Oh god. Unity assets. Import. Alright, now we've got... Why do these have a play button? No, what is this? Oh! They come with a little hitbox, that's cool. Oh. I just need to expand, it's lagging, okay.
That's always more fun, but if you have zero artistic ability, then check the description for these assets. The next panel is the hierarchy. This contains all of the stuff that's in the current scene, which in most games will be a level. We're going to start by making the bird, so right-click and choose Create Empty. This has made an empty game.
Create empty. Okay, got my game object now.
So, what's that? Well, a game object is essentially an invisible container. It has a position in space, a rotation, and a scale. Then you can fill that container with components to add extra features. For example, if we add a sprite renderer component, we can slap the bird image onto the game object. Absolutely everything in our level will be a game object with components. The bird, the pipes, even the user interface, and the camera. All of this magic happens in the third panel, the inspector, which is for messing with game objects. So once we've selected our new empty game object, we can put a name in the top field. Let's call it bird.
Okay, hold on, I'm learning.
Bird. And we can see and change the game objects.
Wait, where's... Oh. Oh, well, well, well. There is technically a z-axis, I believe. We can't see it, but it is technically in 3D because it is Unity. It just for 2D, it just sets certain things a certain way when it really is 3D. But whatever. Let's see what it says. Because Unity at its core is a 3D platform, so when you do 2D, it's just 3D, and then it just doesn't show you the z-axis.
Position,
So.
rotation, and scale under Transform. We can now press Add Component, pick Rendering, and pick Sprite Renderer. To make this work, we need to fill in the sprite field Rendering under Transform. We can now press Add Component, pick Rendering, and pick
Add Component,
Sprite
Rendering.
Renderer.
Sprite Renderer, okay. And Components. Rendering. Oh, there's so many things. Sprite Renderer. Oh my gosh, we did it. We added a Sprite Renderer.
To make this work, we need to fill in the sprite field, so just drag the bird image from the project panel into the field.
Ooh, that's cool. Okay. Ooh, and then you can put multiple sprite render things onto it, so like clump them together. Oh. Okay.
Field, and voila, we have graphics. That will, of course, show up in the fourth and final panel, the scene view. Here we can see what's in our current scene, and if you want, you can use these tools to move stuff around.
Wait. Do I have to select it? Oh yeah, you do.
Scale it, and so on. This section has an extra tab for Game View, which shows us what...
Wait, is it kind of like Blender, where there's like different ways you can like... Oh, it is. It kind of is. Oh, that's really silly. You can go in 3D, that's funny. 2D, 3D, 2D, 3D, 2D, 3D. Anyway, I wanna see how to, how do I, oh, this thing on the side. Oh, okay. There's a little sidebar here, you can do it, okay.
What the game will look like.
Okay, I'm actually learning for once. This is the first time in a while I'm actually like, oh, I can feel
from
it.
the main camera when it's running.
Oh, man.
Also, from this drop down, we can set a resolution or aspect ratio to get a better idea of what it will look like when played. So I'm going to choose
1920 by 1080. Game 1920. Full HD 1920 by 1080. Ooh, that is
1920 by 1080. Oof, the bird takes up way too much space. We could scale it down, but let's actually just zoom out the camera. Like I said before, the camera itself is a game object in the hierarchy, and it has a camera component with stats we can mess with. By changing the size, we can zoom out. I'm also going to change the background color. Lovely. We can now press the play button up.
Oh, you change the size of the camera and it zooms out? What? Why wouldn't you just move the camera back?
Also with stats we can mess with. By changing the size, we can zoom out.
Okay. What if I go into 3D mode? Wait, no. 2D, select the camera, main camera, and then we can change the size apparently. Oh, it's like how much it selects in the camera thing. Just do like that much, and then in the game, it's much less, right? You can zoom it out even more. How far do you want to go though? Cause like, that seems like a bit much. Like, I don't know, man. If you do like way plus, whoa. Okay, so Kinda like that. So. What is the scale? So this is the full 1920 by 1080, but we still want to change the size of the camera. Probably good, right? That looks good, okay.
I'm also going to change.
You can, how do you change the background color? Let me check. Clear flags. Flags, not, oh, I said a slur on accident, whoopsies. I am, like, totally gay though, so I think I'm allowed to say it. Okay, wait, so it said flags and I said that. Okay. Wait, okay. So we got, we need to select, do we select the bird? Select the main camera, rendering, camera, environment, oh, environment. So why does it do it like that? Oh, it's like in the back layer. So if I go in 3D mode, and then, how do I move around again? Ah, use this tool. And then I can rotate, how do I rotate? I forgot how to rotate. Is it tab? Oh, I gotta look it up. No, I don't want to open Xbox. I don't want to open Xbox. Please. I will force quit you if I have to. No, I will open Task Manager and force quit you if I have to. Yeah, I'm at 94% memory. That's kind of a yikes. Oh boy, okay. How to rotate. No, I mean like, how to rotate view? Scene view navigation. Alt. Ah, there we go. You just use Alt. You hold Alt and then you do the click. Okay. Okay, but why is there no background? Because in this there's no background. But in this, there is a background. Oh, maybe it just sets it to like all the way in the back, so everything's in front of it. Like it just takes everything in the project and then it puts a background behind it when it compiles it. That makes sense. Or I don't know if that compiles is the right word, but whatever. Blah 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 blah. Oh, can I like change the color of bird using this? Oh, I can. It's really weird though. Oh, that's really wacky. Yes. Okay, wait. I want to set it back to white. Okay, I was going to go to the main camera and change the background something more appealing. Like right there, nice light blue, nice cyan, okay? Nice cyan, okay? Let's make sure everything's running smoothly on here.
We can mess with. By changing the size, we can zoom out. I'm also going to change the background color. Lovely. We can now press the play button up here to start the world's most boring game. Okay,
Oh, we can run it, can't we? Oh no, please don't crash my... Please don't crash my stream, please don't crash. Please don't crash my stream, I'm on 94% CPU. Please, no, why is the time increasing? Why is the time increasing? Okay, wait. Please, oh god, please. Oh dear god, please don't crash my stream. Please don't crash my stream. Please don't crash my stream. Oh, let's go, it's running! And then... Does this pause it? Oh, I can pause and resume it. Oh, that's so cool. That's really cool, actually. Wait. Okay.
let's make it a bit more exciting.
Check my stream with chat real quick, cause... Hey, thanks, chatters. Ooh, 25 views. That's pretty sweet. Of course, Kick and Twitch have like nothing. But I did get 25 views, which is pretty insane. Thank you for joining my stream. Large Mug, what game are you gonna try to make? I don't know, because they still have to announce a theme. But once they announce a theme, I can get started making it. But a separate game idea I had to work on that's not really associated with it, but I would make if it was related, was I was thinking like kind of like sort of a dungeon crawl where you go up a tower, and then there's different enemies that have different movement patterns, and you have like, I think you have like this meter that like, and the higher or lower it is, it wouldn't necessarily, it'd give you certain buffs but also certain penalties at the same time, so you have to sort of balance them to make it work properly, and then you have to fight through waves of enemies. I thought that'd be pretty cool, but that's kind of a ways away. And maybe I can make it, I don't know. Someone's, Dark Stars one, someone's procrastinating. Yeah, maybe. Lava Droppings Love. Hello, you make video games? I make games that are in video formats, on my YouTube channel, but I haven't really made any video games yet, other than, like, actual Scratch projects. But I'm really hoping I can. Thank you. Good luck. Emoji. Wait. Jack Baxter Williams, good luck. Thank you very much. Laughing emoji, you got this. Thank you, Love Droppings Left. Okay, I'm gonna get back to this. Okay.
A quick recap. Unity has 4 panels by default. Project holds all the stuff in our game. Hierarchy lists all the game objects in the current level. Inspector lets us see and change those game objects, and we can see the level in the scene view. And a game object is an invisible container that we...
Oh, my timer's going. Time for my 5-minute break. Oh, brother, okay. Make sure we got everything pulled up here. Oh, not the Xbox app again, please. Thank you. Move this way. is just super messed up.
Don't try this yourself. It's extremely dangerous.
Huh? Huh? Oh, it's the headphones!
Is it this? Is it my desktop audio? Oh, wait. Hold on. Cause, wait. Hold on. Oh, wait. I need to check this out. Cause if I
Then it's my headphones. I'm talking into my headphones. And then I'm talking away from my headphones. If I just this, and I'm just talking like this. Oh, that's actually kind of reasonable. I don't know if it sounds good. Let's see. Wah, 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 wah. Cards. Yay, look at all the cards. Oh man, that's so many more. Look at all these cards. Wow. Sorry, stupid headphones, microphone. Look at all these cards. Oh man. Oh, microphone background. Oh, like if I push them up, I think that works. And I can just sort of tuck everything in place, but it's a lot easier. Uh-huh. Like a minute 30 left on this timer. You say, oh, it's 100% charged. I don't need to do this anymore. Okay, we'll do one thing of Geometry Dash real quick. You don't want to see me play a super difficult level called Deadlock? Here, it's this one. Maybe I can beat it. Alright, wait, hold on. How am I gonna play this? I don't just want to do it like, if I, okay, wait. Here. I can extend my break a bit for my timer. I can take a bit longer of a break. Like a few attempts and then we'll get started again. Okay. Say that. I hope you can hear this. You probably can't hear this. Live here is crazy. Oh man, that part always Okay, I did really well though, considering. Uh, I'll try some other levels maybe. I'm still on break. It's okay. Do this one. Darn it. Blah. What? How did that kill me? Bruh. Bruh. Okay, I can do better than that. Hold on. Like a gambling addiction. I'm about to cry. Secret coin always gets me. Okay, let's try club step real quick. I think we'll be done. Whoops. What? Okay, I'm not paying. I gotta pay attention. I had a brain fart right there. Okay. Anything else I can do here? I mean, I'll do one more deadlocked attempt and then we'll be done. Man, Geometry Dash really helped me clear the mind. It's surprising how well this works. Oh, whoops. Really just unscrambles it. Ah. Okay, one more. One more. One more. One more, and then I'm done. Just one more spin. Oh, okay, wait, one more. I didn't get far enough. Oh, my hands are all sweaty. Oh, I hate that part. I hate that part so much. Okay, I'm actually gonna lock in now. Apologies. Oh, let's do this programming thing. Well, let's just do 30-minute each time, because I think the 25-minute thing's stupid. Alright. Oh, brother, did I do this wrong? What? Silly camera's off center. Okay. Yeah. Um, yeah, I'm not really a game developer yet. Because I can't really do programming. I don't know Unity. So I don't really have anything on itch.io yet. I made like scratch games before, if that counts. I don't know. I gotta fix my mic. This is chat. Okay, wait. Anyone in chat, how well can you hear me on the headphones? Because there might be a better option. Um, you say it's quieter on the headphones, but I don't like. Does it sound weird at all? I hope it doesn't. I'm just gonna focus. Let's see here. Make sure everything is running smoothly, as per usual. The song's one of my favorites. It's called Fall to Light. Oh my god, so many scammers on Kick. Do you see this? Hey there, social. Yeah, see, there's. I mean, at least the scammers follow me. That's helpful. I don't know. Like, oh my gosh. Like, what's up with the scammers? Alright, back to
We
the
can
Unity
fill with
tutorial.
components like a sprite renderer. In step 2, we're going to use more components to make the bird into a physics object that is affected by gravity.
Yep.
And then we're going to write some programming code to make the bird fly up when we press the spacebar. So let's add another component to our bird, a rigid body 2D. This turns our bird into a physics object with gravity.
Okay, so you can add more components. We're gonna select the verb. And we're at a rigid body, rigid body. What is this called? Physics 2D?
In step 2, by gravity spacebar. This turns our bird into a physics object with gravity.
What? Wait.
A rigid body 2D. This
It's
turns
physics
our bird
2D
into a
and
physics
then
object.
rigid body 2D. Okay. So add components, physics 2D, and then you scroll down, rigid body 2D. Rigid body 2D. Cool. Okay.
With gravity. So when we hit play, the bird drops and
Oh, it really has gravity, huh? That's right. Please stream, don't crash. I know my CPU usage is high, but please don't crash. I need this. Please stream, do not crash. I'm just using a puny Acer. I need it. Please run properly. Please. Oh my gosh. Reloading domain. Busy for 21 seconds. Please run properly. Should I close some applications? What should I do? Importing assets. Okay, so I'm getting the impression that with this dinky computer that I have, it's gonna take a little bit of time to actually run a game, or even start up a game. Alright, it did the thing. Yeah, it fell. That's a game. Oh man. I made a bird fall. Wow, that's so cool, everyone. Don't you love it when you can make a bird fall like that? Okay, let's
falls
see.
off the screen. Cool. We'll also want this bird
this
to be
guy
able to
saying
interact
next?
with other objects, so let's add a collider, a circle
Wait,
collider
how's my
2D.
battery
Back in
doing?
scene view, we can
Oh, sweet. I'm gonna use my other microphone now because I think it'll sound better. Testing my mic. Wait. There we go. Oh, sweet, now it works. Yeah, sorry if you hear some crunching here. I'm just taping it to my old mic, so I can have a tripod. Testing. I think that's good. Alright. My mic actually might work well now. Okay, back to the silly
see
tutorial.
the collider as a green outline. It's a bit off-center for me, so I'll use the offset to move it. And a little game design trick. If we make the collider a bit smaller than the image,
Oh, wait, let me see.
I want this bird to be able to interact with other objects, so let's add a collider, a circle collider 2D.
Okay. Yeah, circle collider, huh? Oh, we can collapse these, right? I forgot. Physics 2D. Circle collider 2D. No! Free up storage space. Your computer's running low on storage space. Visit storage setting to free some up. Oh, man. 970 megabytes free. Wow. Okay. Maybe. Okay, so DaVinci Resolve is using up quite a bit. Storage. Oh god. Like, cause yeah, large to small. Then how come? Oh, ah. I don't know what to do. I genuinely don't know what to do. My storage space is so low. I have like 1 gigabyte left. Wait a second, maybe I can pull off something here. Like, I'm just gonna try to like. Oh wait, no, that actually might be a bad idea. Hold on. Oh, but like, I should really delete some projects on eventually result though. Please, CPU, don't fail me. Don't fail me, CPU, please. Please. Please, my poor computer. My poor computer, please. No way, just straight up crashed. Wow, I can't even open it, huh? Wow, that was pretty wild. Like, maybe I can search this PC, and I can sort by total size. Sort by size. But sort by size, ascending. Wait. Ascending. Maybe I can open properties. Megabytes. Okay, wait. Let's try desktop. Sort by size. How does Unity assets have the most? Do these really have take up so much storage space? Like, they barely take up any space. I don't know what. Oh my gosh. Sort by size, please, dude. Properties. Okay, so that means that this one has to have the most properties, right? Or this one? This one. This one has to have the most. Oh, I'm gonna get a headache or something. Maybe I can open this up. Sort by size. I have to restart this timer because of... 180. Okay. I don't know where all this storage is coming from. Like, I'm gonna get a headache if I keep doing this. Maybe if I empty my recycling bin, that'll help. Please, 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 please. Like I genuinely feel like I'm losing my mind here. Disk cleanup? What's that? Oh man, that's... Using disk cleanup. Let's see what happens.
Didn't think we could fall in love. Broken from the start, chained to our past. We had closed hearts. We are breaking free.
Up to 40.5 megabytes. Really? Dude, that's like nothing. What? I'm about to go crazy. How is it 117 gigabytes used? This doesn't even add up to 117. The math does not check out here. I'm sorry. Like... Alright. My mom's friend is here today, so I might have to stream, I don't know. She hasn't said anything yet, but that's my guess of me join us, so. But we're just gonna see what I can do here. Okay, sure.
Tried to deny us. Didn't think we were
Did just DaVinci resolve? Like,
in our hearts.
okay, if I...
We are breaking free. It just
I'm just gonna uninstall
seems
Cursor.
we might fall apart. Now we're running away with the Can we break free? Can we break free? Can we break
I hope that's enough. I mean, I'm gonna check my storage real quick. Okay, I have 1 gigabyte free. 1.17 is better than like 0.9 or whatever it was. Yeah, I'll just open all my tabs now. Sorry if there's a lot of background noise. There's people over here. You know? Okay. Oh. Yes, thank you, Dragon Ball Shorts. Just playing mobile game. I was just playing Geometry Dash. Lava Droppings Love, thanks for the support. Thank you, Delangelo. You got this, thank you. Wow, 52 views. Impressive for a live stream like this. Alrighty, let's do this. Oh man, okay. Actually,
Back in scene view, we can see the collider as a green.
so the collider. I'm just gonna drag sorry. Collider. Scene view. The collider, if you go in 2D, it's a silly goose right here. there a way to center it? I wonder if there's just a center button. I don't know yet. Figure it out later.
In outline. It's a bit off center for me, so I'll use the offset to move it.
Oh, I can just use the offset button, huh? I think you have to eyeball this a little bit. And then he kind of zooms it in a little bit.
And a little game design trick. If we make the collider a bit smaller than the image, it will let the player get through the pipes even if they just touched the edge. It gives the game a
I think that's good.
bit of leniency and makes it feel more fair. The final thing to add right now, a script. This essentially lets us make our own custom component, but we'll have to write it ourselves using programming code. Choose New Script from the components list and call it Bird Script.
Sure. New script. Bird script. Oh no. Oh no, now it's loading. Oh no. No, what is this? Oh no. Oh man, we have a new asset called Bird Script.
Once it's loaded, double-click the script field to open it up. This will open the file in Visual Studio.
Okay. What? Compiling scripts running backend? Huh? I guess I shouldn't interfere. I'll just check chat or something. I don't know, man. Wow, the most concurrent viewers I've gotten on the stream is 4 viewers. That's pretty sweet. Thank you, everyone. I might actually wait. Hold on. Let me make sure. I might do that over break. What? What am I? What am I? I'm not cooking. What am I actually doing here? Like, what am I? What happened? Where is everything? Okay, there we go. Bro, I don't know why it's bugging like that. That's so silly. Okay, I guess as long as everyone can see on OBS, it's fine. It's still running backend. Do I hit cancel? I'm gonna cancel. And nothing happened. Okay. I'm gonna what? Oh, do I use Task Manager? Like, doesn't seem to be up anymore. Nope, it's still doing its thing. Why? Oh, so that's what? Because it's doing this thing. I'm just gonna restart this project. Using Task Manager because it's not responding. Yeah, 91% memory is pretty bad anyway. Let's just end task. Why did it make the sound again when I hit end task? That's terrifying. Okay, wait. This work. I need this to work. Oh. Okay, Unity Engine's launching up again. See what happens. Alright, wasn't I trying to correct something? I was gonna correct my stream titles, so it'd be more. We're gonna just add this real quick. Scared emoji. How about that? Ooh, the screaming emoji is perfect. Edit my kick tile too. Alright, my titles have been edited. There we go, please. Okay, now. Oh, did it not even save it? Where is that object? Oh no, I clicked bird script again. Oh god. Okay, let's just double click it and see what happens. Okay, it opens Visual Studio. Even though I already have Visual Studio open. Oh, it opens a new one, okay. Oh my gosh. Allow. Oh, why'd my screen turn black? Please. No, my screen's white now. Wait. Well, at least there's a window that says Microsoft Visual Studio, so we'll see what happens. This project's on a drive with disk space below 1 GB. Please free up some space for your unit to work correctly. Okay. Okay. Not my storage space betraying me. Oh god. Okay, maybe I can make this work. No, what? Oh my gosh. Yo, my live streaming tab, like, I had to refresh it. I got worried. Okay, I have to free up storage space. Okay, what do I delete? What do I delete? I can free up 1 GB. I can free up 1 GB. That's reasonable. That's reasonable. I can free up 1 GB. Why did my background change? Why did my desktop background change? Alright, fine. Storage settings. I didn't even set a timer. Oh my gosh, it was very good. Okay, once I start it, I'll set it to like 20 minutes probably. Come on, there's gotta be some apps I can just remove from existence here. Unity Hub 3.8. No, can't get rid of that. Can't get rid of Blue Book. I don't want to get rid of Discord. That leaves all the little ones, okay? And it doesn't even show the rest because there's a bunch of stuff that this computer doesn't even show. Maybe videos? And I have so much footage here that I don't want to delete though. Maybe if I select these all and then do properties. That's about 500 megabytes. What about all of these properties? Oh, that is a lot of storage. I should probably migrate all my personal updates. Wait, what about just this one alone? Okay, wait. Okay, if I do... Hold on. I gotta actually... Because if I show... Wait. Yeah, I gotta hide that window, because I'm gonna open my Google Drive and watch anything. Okay. Yeah, it's hidden. Okay. Sorry, I'm just freeing up storage. This is really annoying. Oh, the headache. Should drink water. I just move this one in. That does not look like 3 minutes left. That looks like 1 day left. Ugh. A silly computer, no storage on it. Of course, I've already used 10 gigabytes of my 15 gigabyte storage on Google Drive. Like, wasn't personal update number 1 like a 1 hour long video? How's it uploading it so fast? Maybe Google Drive is just really good at uploading stuff fast. That's funny. Alright, I also had that idea to make, because this is part of the Buckshot Roulette OST. I was also going to make, an interactive YouTube video that was my version of Buckshot Roulette, which I thought would be interesting. But I don't know. We'll see. You know, it's kind of nice to start up the live stream again. I actually feel like I'm talking to people, you know? Makes me feel like I actually have friends. So, it's good for my mental health, you know? This... Yeah, this is really silly. Because once... I figure once it's fully uploaded to Google Drive, I can check it. Check the quality for Google Drive. And then I can finally delete it and free up some space. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Like, I don't know how I haven't how I haven't migrated these yet. It. Sort of baffles me. Which song was this again? Oh, right. I'll open up all my tabs so y'all can see on screen. Alright, that's better. Look, I gotta wait for this to upload, so I can just... Let's just do the geometry dash thing again. Yeah, we're gonna turn off the Spotify so you can actually hear. Alright, yeah, we're just gonna take another geometry dash break here because I gotta upload these files so that I actually have storage here. Oh man. Apologies for the weird aspect. Here, why don't we just go to the 4K cam and change the crop on this? That makes it better. Okay. Now we gotta actually like move this in. Alright, watch me play Geometry Dash, y'all. Look at this. Oh wait, I can't show you my password. Silly goose. Oh, I need the mic to pick up on this, so it's just... Sorry if this sounds a bit scrapey here. It's just... I need the mic to pick up on this, okay? Okay. But, whoops, I need to turn the camera, so it's all fine and dandy here. Get that to work. That. Oh, I should correct the rotation. Sorry. Bruh. Ah, that's so silly. There's so much of a glare on this. You can barely see the screen because of the reflection and the glare. Yeah, this might just be an excuse for me to play more Geometry Dash. Hold on. I gotta check this. Okay, apparently it uploaded correctly. We're gonna check it though. We're gonna do a little okay, let's just see here. Oh, what do you mean still being processed for playback? Huh? I just want to view it. Okay, well that was like 1.55 gigabytes.
Okay, I'm just gonna assume that it's fine. Because it's not letting me see it. Sorry, I gotta delete you. Yes, 1.55 gigabytes. Are you kidding me, bro? Brother, like, what? Okay, let's just see how much storage we have now. Please, 116. Or let's go. 2.45 gigabytes free. Oh man. Okay. Now we're gonna go back to here.
I started using custom hair care from Pros because I was starting to
Bro,
feel
why
like
did it
I
have to
wasn't using the right products for my
refresh?
hair type.
The before and afters.
Okay, never mind. Everything is hopefully working out okay here. 4K cam back up. Oops. We're gonna get this back in its spot here. Turn it on. Okay, now I'll add the crop pad. Okay. Sorry about the scraping sound. Okay. Everything should be back in order now. Let's make it 20 minutes, because, oh my gosh. 23, we'll compromise. 23-minute timer, starting now.
The final thing to add right now, a script. This essentially lets us make our own custom component, but we'll have to write it ourselves using programming code. Choose New Script from the components list and call it Bird Script. Once it's loaded, double-click the script field to open it up. This will open the file in Visual Studio, which we installed earlier. So, welcome to programming. It's not too scary, promise, we'll take it slow. We're writing in C#, that's the programming language, and the only thing to worry about right now is these two chunks here. Start.
Wait, okay, I gotta go in Unity and double click the Bird script so it actually opens in Visual Studio. Okay, so now Visual Studio, and I should have at least 1 gigabyte on disk space. Wow, it actually opened, and with the correct thing too. Wow, that's cool. Okay, I'm actually happy. This actually makes me happy. This actually makes me genuinely happy. Feature process telemetry is currently unavailable due to an error. What do you mean? Why won't my bar won't open? What the heck? It won't open the bottom bar. What's happening to my desktop? What's going on? Okay, I have to go to, this one was, right, this one has to be, okay. There, you see that yellow bar up there? Feature process telemetry, blah 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 blah. Gonna be processed? What are you talking about? Please tell me stream didn't crash. Oh. Thank you. OmniWav, can't see anything. Yeah, it was kind of weird. It's good now though. High code with the flow. That's a crazy color theme. Yeah, I tried to make it like, sort of like night vision, so it's easy on my eyes. I don't know. I don't really think it's gonna matter. I think I can always switch it back though, because I have it saved on my desktop, so I can just switch it back. If my things can, no, is it my CPU? Is it my CPU? Hold on, is it my CPU? Hold on, let me control this escape.
Page unresponsive. Oh no, 100% CPU. That's a yikes. Oh no. Oh no. 96% memory. Uh-oh. Oh, that's not good. Oh wait, no, it's dropping down. Oh good, okay. I don't know why I was doing that before. Still, 95% memory is a bit of a yikes. We're gonna refresh this page. Or we can just close it. That's fine. All bookmarks. Sharp. Unity. Tutorial. Please. Actually respond this time. Please. Bro, why? Okay, let's open Task Manager again. Oh wait, no, now it's actually responding. Okay.
Double-click the script field to
Oh,
open it up.
Is it really
This will
back up
open
to
the file
100%
in Visual Studio,
CPU?
which we installed earlier. So, welcome to programming. It's not too scary, promise, we'll take it slow. We're writing in C#, that's the programming language, and the only thing to worry about right now is these two chunks here, start and update. Start is for any code.
Okay, everything's back up and running. Let's check out this process telemetry. Okay, yeah, I can't read any. I don't know how to read any of that. Yeah, whatever. It's probably fine. It's probably fine. Watch it destroy my entire game once I finish the game jam. It's gonna be like, oh man, I finally made the best game ever. That's gonna be in #1 place. And it's like, oh, process telemetry data. Oh, your whole game fails, and it's got malware. Wait. Alright.
Code that will run as soon as the script is enabled.
Okay.
And it runs.
Okay. We've got it open. We've got it open here. We've got public class bird script. That's interfaces. Yes, I remember what interfaces do. Bird script is of mono behavior using the Unity engine. And then it comes with comments, thank you very much. And it has void start and void because it doesn't return any information. And then also void update. Okay, yes, this is good. This is good. I like this.
Precisely once. Update runs constantly while the script is enabled, and it will fire off every line of code, every single frame, over and over and over again.
Yep.
So the main thing we're going to be doing with code right now is, well, if we go back to Unity, see these numbers and text fields in the components, and how we can change them in the Unity editor? We're just going to write code to change these stats while the game is running. Just as a dumb example, and we'll delete this in a second.
I hope the music isn't too loud. Okay, that's not good.
In start, we can type GameObject. That refers to this bit up here.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Yes. Well, I've had 8 view. Wait, no. I've had 6 viewers at most. That's pretty crazy. I have a notification. Oh wow! Thank you, eBunny, for commenting on my puff shroom haircut video. Thank you very much. Here I'm just. Oh man, what do I do? Okay, I'll finish this first.
And then a dot. You'll see a list appear, and many of the items refer to stuff back in the inspector, like is static, tag, layer, and name. So let's pick name. Then write an.
Okay, void start game object dot name game object dot name capital N. I hope I did that right. Wait, I really hope I did that right. No, it's lowercase g. What am I doing? And then it's the N The N is lowercase as well. What am I doing? Lower game object dot name. Yes. Is there a semicolon on the end?
An equal sign. And in
Oh,
quotes, give our
equals.
bird a name.
Right.
Finally,
We can give our bird a name. Bob Birdington. And then I add a semicolon, and I think that'll work.
we must always use a semicolon to mark the end of a command. And we must always save the script before we go back
Yes.
to Unity. Now,
Oh, we always gotta save it. Oh, man. Wait, we can test something real quick. Wait. File. Save. As such slash. This is birdscript.cs, so save this. And then I saved it, and we can go back here. We can go. Uh-oh. Oh no, no, what are you doing? What are you doing? No, please. What is the other thing? Filing, running backend, reloading, blah blah blah, blue blah blue. Okay, so I saved it. I think I know how it works now. So when you double click the script in Unity, it opens a new C# file in Visual Studio. And then when you save the file in Visual Studio, it transfers that back to Unity. So that's kind of how it communicates, I guess. And then you have the scripts in C# that are already in Unity. So you don't... Basically, Visual Studio is just a tool for adding scripts into Unity. It doesn't need to run in conjunction? I don't know if that's a good word. But it doesn't need to run at the same time as Unity. You just use it to manage the C# files and communicate them back and forth before finally putting all the C# files into the Unity project, and then it saves them there. That's interesting, okay. Okay. Good.
when we run the game, the name of the game object has been changed. Nice.
Wait, I don't see that. I don't see that. Okay, wait. Oh, right. I kinda did something, so now it's weird. Right, okay. Let's just... let's just try this again. Billy. We'll name him Billy, right? Name him Billy. Add some components here. What was it? Like physics 2D. No, it was rendering first. And it was rendering sprite renderer. And then we expand it. Drag in the bird. Go into the viewing. And the game should have a proper... Wow, it just restarted the whole thing because I did the reset on it. I mean, that's fair, honestly. I shouldn't have been messing around with it. Okay, now we want to do physics 2D, and it's rigid body. Yeah, whatever. And then we'll add physics 2D circle collider. And then we want to do an offset, so... Okay, that should be good. Okay, so now we want to go to the camera and just fix this up a bit. I set it to like, how far did I set it? Because I wanted it to still like, I mean, oh, the resolution must be weird too because I reset it. Well, do we want to... I think we want to go to, like, 1 scale, right? I mean, that's probably good. A little bit more. Okay, now you want to go to Billy. Component. Oh wait, can we just drag and drop the script? That'd be really sweet if we could. Oh sweet, we can. Okay. Now if we run this, please CPU, please CPU, please. CPU and memory, please. Please. Don't fail me. I need this to work, dude. Why did I create a new thing called Don't Destroy Unload? Hey, change the name, let's go, it worked. Oh man, it's loading again. Oh, and then changes it back, that's funny. Okay, yeah, that's really funny.
Okay, delete that code, that was just for sillies, but
Yeah, it was just for sillies. Just for sillies, huh? Alright.
it shows us how we can use code to talk to the game. We
Yes,
can write a command by
does.
choosing someone to talk to, in this case, the game object, and then a topic of conversation, its name, and then a command. Change it to Bob Buddington. We'll be doing this a lot. So what we actually want to do is, in the Rigid Body 2D's component, under Info, we'll see a grayed out field for velocity, and we want to write some code to add upward velocity to the bird to make it fly into the air. The problem is, initially, a script can only talk to the game object's top bit and the transform. Right now, this script is completely unaware of the other components, so we need to sort that out first. We need to make a special slot on this script for a Rigid Body 2D, so we can then talk to it and send it commands.
Because it doesn't account for the components initially, just the stuff without, just the empty container, I guess.
This is called a reference. We're going to create the reference up here, between the class name.
I'm skipping this song, I can't, I'm sorry. Here, I'll just go back to that. There's some good songs back here.
Name and the start function. We're going to write public rigid body 2D my rigid body.
Are you sure you want to make it public though? Because I've heard you want certain access modifiers and stuff. Like, oh right, because it's still your project saved on it. It's the access modifier is for if you have multiple people editing the code, I guess. But it's kind of, or I guess there's like other security stuff that I'm probably not aware of. Public.
So we now have
2D, my rigid body. Okay. So you start off lower, no, uppercase, okay. Rigid body 2D. Oh wait, you just call it my, or what? What am I doing? Does that work? No issues found, I guess. I mean...
have a slot to store a rigid body 2D, and we have a name that we can refer to make sure we're talking about this specific rigid body 2D. And because we made it public, it means we can access this slot from outside the script. So if we save and go back to Unity,
save assets / bird scrub.cs aka control plus S. It's saving now. And now in Unity it should be doing a Phantom jig, right? Yes, compiling C#. First running backend, running domain, blah blah blah. Wowzers. So cool. Oh man. Yippee. Yippoo. Wow. Okay. It'd be funny if I actually showed the progress bar so y'all can see. Oh wow, it's already done. That's convenient. Okay. What does Mr. Game Design Guru say next?
We'll see that the script component now has a field for a rigid body.
Okay, well, let's check it. Billy. Let's see. My rigid body, none rigid body 2D. Is that correct? Yes, it is.
Body
Okay.
2D. We can drag the component into that slot and
Ah, very good. So, okay, so when it says my rigid body, that's not making the rigid body, it's making the slot for the rigid body. Okay. So now I can drag it in, and I've got the Billy rigid body 2D. Let's go. Okay.
voila, we have established a line of communication between the script and the rigid body.
Sheesh.
Okay, back in Visual Studio. In Update, we can type my rigid body, then dot. And now, look at all the things we can talk about. Angular drag, gravity
Wow,
scale,
yeah,
mass.
that's cool.
These are all properties on the component. The one we want is velocity. We want to set this to a new number, and so just like before with the name, we'll write an equals. Now what we're actually writing here is a vector, which is two numbers to represent a position in 2D space.
Interesting.
And in this case, it's used to represent a direction for the bird to travel. We want the bird to go straight up, so 0, 1 would be a good one. I'm going to use vector2.up, which is a built-in shorthand for 0, 1. And to give it a bit more power, I'm going to multiply that vector by a number.
Yo,
say
what's on my
10, which should send the bird
Dude, there's
flying
like a
up in
weird
the sky.
thing on my
Now,
pants.
like
What
I said
is this
before,
thing? What?
Any code in Update will run over and
I
over
found
again
this on my
every
pants.
frame. So if we save the script and hit play
It's like
in
a-
Unity,
What on earth is this thing? Are y'all seeing this? I found this on my pants. What the heck? It was like stuck. There's like glue on it. What is this? Ugh. Gosh. Try it. What? Video error. Got one. Bro. These UIs. I can't with these UIs.
Unity, off goes our bird.
Okay. I think I had to add some code there, but... My rigid body dot velocity. Okay, so it's... See, the way you code using the Unity engine, the way you communicate is a bit different than the way I'm used to. It's just standard, C# concepts in Visual Studio. Actually not. There's like a sort of different vocabulary for communicating with the Unity engine. So it's my rigid body. Dot. Veloc. Is it angular velocity? What is this? Equals. I'm gonna go a bit longer because I was procrastinating a little. Vector2.up. Okay. And then we do a little bit of math, which is asterisk 10 times 10, and then semicolon. And Hooray, we get 0 errors. Here's our warning. Rigid body 2D dot velocity is obsolete. Why would it? Okay, I'm just gonna ignore that for now, because give me a warning.
So if we save the script and hit play in Unity, off goes our bird.
Alright, save the scripts. Save assets, backtrace first script.cs. Wow, it does a weird mouse cursor thing when I do that. Why does it do this weird mouse cursor thing, huh? It goes backward. You seeing this? On my code, it's going backward. Like, this is, look at my mouse cursor, this is normal. And then it's backward. What? Normal? Backward? Normal? Backward? Script updating consent. So this product search for API that's changed. Will this probably be updated? I'm just gonna hope that this works, because it has a consent thing and this blah blah. Yeah. How am I gonna make a game for this game jam? I barely even understand how any of this works. Like, I'm just trying to make a Flappy Bird. Isn't that like one of the first challenges? Yeah, that's like the first game on the challenge here. Recommended by PirateSoftware. It's the 20 games challenge at 20-games_challenge.gitlab.io/challenge/. And it says a bunch of stuff. Battery. Oh no. Okay, I gotta save my battery again. Sorry, it's back to the terrible mic. It's back to the headphones mic, I guess. Sorry, bye.
Okay, so these are the headphone mics, I think. So now I gotta plug in my computer so it doesn't run out of battery. That's better, okay. So now that, oh, nope, still loading, okay, I'll hydrate. Okay. Okay. New tutorial. Now if I just go in game, hit the play button, oh, what's gonna happen? It's loading. So reloading domain, importing assets, okay. Wait. Yo, it did it! Let's go, it floated! Like in the tutorial, like it said. You don't actually know how happy I am with these things because it's not just that it's working, it's that it's not working, you know? Because if it stops working and I was following the tutorial, then I have to find some way to fix it. But so far it's been running really smoothly, which is nice.
Bye. That's not what we want. We want this to only happen.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, no viewers. 0 viewers, 1 viewer, quote unquote, and 1 viewer, quote unquote, on Twitch and Kick. So I don't think those are both just me. So
when the player hits the spacebar. So it's time to
Okay.
use the most fundamental bit of programming code, the if statement. An
If
if statement
statement.
is like a gate. You can surround some code with a fence,
I
and
know
every
I'm
frame that code
this.
will be
I'll
completely
still watch it
ignored.
though, because I want to do
Unless the game
completionism
meets
here.
some specific conditions that are written on the gate, in which case the gate is open and the code is read and executed. So we want to say, if the player hits the spacebar, then add upward velocity. To do this, we can write if, and then in brackets we can write the condition. This time we're not talking to a component, we're talking to Unity itself, specifically its input system. So we'll write input dot. Then we can pick get key down, and in brackets, keycode dot space. This
Oh
asks
my
Unity
gosh.
if the spacebar has been pressed on this frame, and then we'll finish with equals equals true. A quick note on equal signs, we use 1 to make the thing on the left be the same as the thing on the right, and we use 2 if we're just checking if the thing on the left is the same as the thing on the right. Cool? Anyway, so this code says, if the spacebar has just been pressed, then, and
If
then we'll use curly brackets, these are the fence in our analogy, and put the flap code in here. So now in update, every frame the game will go to the gate and be asked, hey, has the spacebar just been pressed? If yes, the code will fire and the bird will flap. If not, it will skip the code in the curly brackets and try again next frame. So, save the script and go back to Unity. We can now hit play and, ta-da, the bird goes up when we press space. We have now created a character and made it react to input. This is a video game. Hooray! However, it feels like trash. The flap isn't right and it doesn't feel like the original iPhone game. So we could change this number, save, open Unity, run the game, not quite right, stop, change the number, save, but that's slow and dumb. Let's do something smarter. First, we're going to make a variable. Let's go back to the top of the script and under our reference to the rigid body.
Okay, this is getting a bit deep. I think I'm gonna take my break now after making this script. I'm just gonna add a if statement here, and then I'll take my break. So it's if. What is it? Input. Okay. Input dot get key down. Parentheses. I think this is correct, right? And then key code dot space. And then we do finish the if the Phantomajig. That's true. And then I think that's no, we have to have, of course, what am I doing? I'm not, we gotta brother. Okay, now we'll just do file. Hey, now I have some good music playing from this, because still compiling scripts or whatever, so I gotta wait a bit. Apologies. Okay, wait. If anyone's here to see this, I think I have 0 viewers, although I can check again. Oh, 1 concurrent viewer! 1 concurrent viewer on YouTube Live! Hey, that one person who happens to be watching, I don't know who you are. I think you just joined, but I am about to make my first video game. It's a very, very bad one. But as soon as I press this play button right here, as soon as I press it, we are going to see my first video game happen. Let's see here. I'm gonna put this up a bit. Alright, y'all ready? Y'all ready for my first video game ever? Here we go. Oh wait, it's gotta reload the domain and do a little bunch of stuff because it's gotta load first because my computer's really slow. But once I do it, I'll be able to I'll be able to press the space bar, and then the game will respond to me pressing the space bar. Oh my gosh, it's my first video game. Let's go. I can just press the space bar and then this guy jumps. This is actually my first Unity game. I actually managed to make a Unity game. Wait, if I hold it down, does it still? Oh wow, you have to let go of it too. It's not a hold thing. Okay, I'll have to keep that in mind. But oh my gosh, I can just press, press, press. It works. But press, 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 press. Okay, now done that, I can officially call myself an actual game dev because I made a game in Unity and it actually works. I can press the spacebar and then the bird jumps, and when I don't press the spacebar, the bird falls. Oh man, it's my first video game ever. Thank you. Thank you. I'm just gonna thank everyone in chat. Thank you, everyone. It's my first video game. Yay. Oh man, I made a bird jump up and down. And it only took, how long is the stream? It only took like 2 hours. Wow, I made a bird go up and down. Oh man, okay. I think I'll take my break now, considering that I've made my first quote-unquote video game. So what's that like? Man, this is fun though. So, I want to do like do an 8-minute break. Oh man, it's crazy. Playing though. Still, headphones, right? I can actually play it. It's so much fun. This is so much fun. Make the bird jump up. Oh my gosh. It's my first video game. Like, from your perspective, it's like procrastinating on this, and how much I've just been like, oh, but it's gonna be too hard. But I actually made my first video game. Like it looks stupid right now. I've always dreamed of like actually making video games. Finally, I've actually pulled myself together and been able after like 2 hours. Wow, it actually happened. My first bird jumping on the screen. How far did we go? It's awesome. It was really funny. Okay, so yeah, you need to take a look. Alright, good. What am I doing? Why do I do it like that? Am I gonna be a game? No, original was like, yeah. Oh, it's because it's locked. What's the unlock? Okay. Bring this up.
I rise just like a phoenix, born from the ashes. I take care of my own. Torn down where assassin. You can't suffocate my spirit. Cause I'm the king of my own throne. My own throne. King
There
of
we
my
go.
own throne. My own throne.
Alright, I think this looks better.
You'll never see me fall. Fall. You'll never see me fall. Watch me reign, and I'll slay them all. Slay them all. Slay them all.
Or you know what I could do? I could just duplicate these. And then rename these. I'm just gonna... Alright, I don't understand. This is going to be... Okay. And then we'll duplicate this. If I can find the duplicate button. Copy. Okay, fine. We'll do a copy paste kind of thing.
Born from the ashes.
Paste.
Born from the ashes.
No, call this
Born
one.
from the ashes. Born from the ashes. Born from the. You can't suffocate my spirit. Cause I'm the king of my own throne. King of my own throne. My own throne. You'll never see me fall.
I'll try this one. Now this one.
Watch
This
me
one.
reign, and I'll slay them all.
I'm gonna lock it. Call this.
And I'll slay them all. Slay them all. Slay them all. Slay them all. You'll never steal the throne.
Small one. This doesn't really. Like that. That's good.
Watch me reign.
This one. That's there. Large one. Cone. Or cylinder.
studio small, or leave that small. So then we can turn these off. So then we can switch them back and forth. It's very janky and slow. Yeah.
We lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material
I think I'll do it
world.
like this for now.
Of things that fade away, but you keep coming back, 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 keep coming back,
Thumbs up.
keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back. Of things we know.
So it's technically defining themes, diverse themes yet, which is something I should be proud of. Wow, 90 views. Thanks everyone in chat for dropping by. I don't really get any views, but
Does this look centered? Let me see. Maybe if I just put it a little more to the.
We lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world, of things that fade away.
I'm gonna break them more. Sorry, I'm really quiet because I'm here. Yeah, I think I'm kinda gonna break a bit more than tomorrow. I might get 28. I'll make sure to end stream though. I'll probably just get 28. I won't be long. Like a few minutes maybe. Okay. I'll be back. I'll be back. yet. I don't know what to do. I'm not really hungry yet, but I feel like I should put something. Tired body.
It's never too late to admit when you're wrong. Turn a new leaf, see a new dawn. The time to decide has come and gone. Just give me a chance, we can carry on. I've made my choice, these drums of your voice, they run through my head as I remember the day. Stay in this moment.
Should I end stream and eat something? Um, it's really tough. You're not back, I'm not my mom. You know what? Do I rest or do I keep working? Do I rest or do I keep working? Rest or do I keep working? I feel like I should keep working. Um. I can. I'll keep working. I'll keep working. I can take a break later. That's fine. Stream shall continue. Dude. Okay. Back to work.
So, save the script and
Oh, right. Set my timer. I think that was 30 minutes and then 25. Let's do. I think we'll finish it off with like another 35 minutes. 35 minutes, starting now.
go
Let's do
back
this.
to Unity. We can now hit play and ta-da, the bird goes up. Input. This is a video game. Hooray! However, it feels like trash. The flap isn't right and it doesn't feel like the original iPhone game. So we could change this number, save, open Unity, run the game, not quite right, stop, change the number, save, but that's slow and dumb. Let's do something smarter. First, we're going to make a variable. Let's go back to the top of the script and under our reference to the rigid body, let's make a public float called flap strength.
Okay, time. I don't even know what a float is. What is a float in C#? Okay. Our float. Our float and double the same. No, float and double are not the same. A double is twice the size of a float. Okay.
Float is a floating point number, basically a number that can have a decimal place. And then back in our update code, we'll multiply the vector2.up by flap strength instead of 10. Now, back in Unity, you'll see that the script component flap strength.
Okay, sure. So you define the variable, and then we'll use a variable here. Okay. Save assets /bird script.cs. Okay, now my project is saving. Oh, I wonder how my mic sounds. Does it sound good? I'm surprised it sounds this. I can't really hear it, but I'm surprised the volume's at least this reasonable, considering it's on my ears, and I haven't really put any filters on it. I wonder if I'm gonna play the VOD back and it's just gonna sound like absolute trash. That'd be funny. Oh, wait, is it done yet? Oh, sweet, there's a little variable there now.
Instead of 10. Now, back in Unity, you'll see that the script component has a new field, flap strength, and we can change that whenever we want to make the game feel different. We could even change it during the game, but note that anything you change while the game is running won't save when you press stop. This means you can play with values to your heart's content without worrying about screwing up your game. So, if we mess with the flap strength and also the gravity scale on the rigid body, we'll hopefully get to something that feels good. Changing numbers back and forth. Honey, that's game design. Recap time. We can use code to change the properties of a component while the game is running. A script cannot talk to the other components on the game object by default. You have to make a line of communication by storing a reference to that specific component. We create the reference in code and then fill it in Unity by dragging and dropping. Code in start runs once when the script comes into existence. Code in update runs continuously every single frame. But we can use if statements to skip some code unless a condition is met. And we can use public variables to change certain values in Unity's inspector even while the game is running. Okay, so the secret to Flappy Bird is that while
So now I can run this, and I can change these values as I wish. So if I run the project, so now I can pump it up a bit more, and then if I do 20, oh, it just must have fallen really fast. Oh yeah, that's much stronger, okay. What if I just set it to 0? Oh. Oh man, the velocity must be really high, huh? Oh, because the circle collider is the hitbox, but then the rigid body determines the physics, like the movement kind of thing. Now, if we reset this, run it again. Whoa, it just changed immediately. How do I save it? Why isn't it saving? 4.5. 20. You have to like just go file, save. Is that it? And I can run it? Maybe I can do it before and it just does it in the compiling process that we see at the beginning. Oh yeah, that did what I wanted. Oh man, he falls fast now. I think I want it to be a bit different though. I think I want the gravity to be 6 and the flap string to be 30. Let's try it now. Song goes hard. Oh man, yeah, that is pretty brutal. Try this. Wow, that is kind of satisfying though. I feel like the frame rate's kind of weird though. It's so mesmerizing. Okay. I got a little distracted there.
That looks like a
Now I gotta learn to spawn objects. Okay.
bird is flapping along through a world of pipes. It's actually not. The bird stays completely still, and it's the pipes that move across the screen. So in step 3, we're going to make pipes spawn into the world, move across the screen, and then delete themselves. We'll start by making the object we want to spawn. This will be 2 pipes which move across the screen from left to right. Let's make another game object called pipe. Put it exactly on the bird for now to get the sizing right.
Is that okay? Empty.
Game object called
Let's switch to viewing mode here because we're not using the code very much. Create empty. Okay. Pipe. Bomb. Hot pipe bomb.
pipe. put it exactly on the bird for now.
Sure, why not? Where are you, huh? Gotta go in the scene view, I think. It's reasonable.
To get the sizing right. And then we'll make another object within this one called top pipe. This is a child of the first game object's parent.
Right,
This way we
because
can nest
inheritance.
This is a child
Right,
of
because
the
inheritance.
another object
Inheritance,
within this
right.
one called top pipe. This is a child of the first game object's parent. This way we can nest multiple game objects and move all of them at once just by moving the parent. So let's repeat what we did for the bird. Add a sprite renderer for the pipe image. And add a collider, a box collider 2D this time. We don't need a rigid body because it's not going to be affected by physics. We can then move it up above the bird, but keep the X position as 0. Finally, we can duplicate this whole top pipe object, call it bottom pipe, and flip it upside down by changing the Y scale to -1. Then move it down below the bird.
Cool. Let's do it. Let's make this a test of my game of my knowledge here. This is gonna test my knowledge. There's a little test here. Top pipe. Empty. Bottom pipe. Okay, now top pipe. So yeah, I don't want to make any mistakes. I'm not gonna test myself here.
Parent. So let's repeat what we did for the bird. Add a sprite renderer for the pipe image. And add
Rendering. Sprite renderer. Expand. Sprite. Pipe. Yo, I've got a pipe. Let's go. Okay.
add a collider, a box
A box collider. Ah, very clever. It's not a circle collider, it's a box collider. So you go physics 2D. Box. And then I think change the size a bit. Oh right, it's like that. Okay. Sweet. Okay. Okay. Oh, and then I'm assuming the components are through inheritance children of the parent class, which is the pipe, right? And then
collider 2D this time. We don't need a rigid body because it's not going to be affected by physics. We can then move it up above the bird.
We got the top pipe. I can zoom out good. Let's just do it like this. Let's make it easier. Let's move it up. How wide do we want these gaps to be?
But keep the X position as 0. Finally, we can duplicate this whole top pipe object, call it bottom pipe.
I guess I'll just delete this then. and duplicate. And this person, silly person, said that I can. Oh, can't I just do that? That's easier, right? And then I can just go to transform. Or I don't even need to go to transform, I can just do it like that. Like, why would I even...
Pipe and flip it upside down by changing the Y
It
scale
just lets
to
you
-1.
flip the X and Y
Then
in the
move it
sprite
down
renderer
below the
anyway.
bird. As you can see, if we mess with the pipe parent game object, both pipes move, scale, and rotate along.
Oh wait, let me try it. Wait, select this. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, I can move it in 3D! I'm gonna hit Control Z on that one. Okay, wait. Oh, I must have just selected. Ah, there we go. Now I can recreate that one Flappy Bird meme where there's like the extra levels. That's funny. You just rotate the pipes.
Along with it, with the parent as the pivot point. So let's add a script to this parent's object to make it move across the screen.
Oh, all about inheritance. It's all about the inheritance.
We'll start by creating a variable for move speed. If we
That's why it's called object-oriented programming.
So let's add a script to this parent's object to make it move across the screen.
So you just add a script. Pipe move script. Sure, I can name it that. Pipe add scripts. Okay. Need to press save.
We lose ourselves in the spirit of things. We lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world, of things that fade away.
Okay. I think it's loaded now. Now I can go to pipe move script, double click, and now it's gonna load in Visual Studio. Oh man. Okay.
We'll start by creating a variable for move speed. If we give it a number here, it will fill this as the default value in Unity, but we can always change it there later. Then we'll write code to move the object in update. Now, it would be lovely if we could just type transform.position.x and change this number directly, but no, boo, you have to change the entire vector in one go. Oh, and this time we're going to have to use vector 3 instead of vector 2 because the transform has 3 numbers. Even though we're making our game in 2D, Unity is still fundamentally a 3D engine, and so it's keeping track of the object's depth with the Z value. So, here's what we'll do. We'll take the current transform.position and then equals.
Oh, wait, why do you say that?
Write code to move the object in update. Now, it would be lovely if we could just type transform.position.x and change this number directly, but no, boo, you have to change the entire vector in one go. Oh, and this time we're going to have to use vector 3 instead of vector 2 because the transform has 3 numbers. Even though we're making our game in 2D, depth with the Z value. So, here's what we'll do. We'll take the current transform.position and then equals. We want to add to its current position, so write transform.position again, and then plus. And finally, in brackets, we'll do vector3.left times move speed.
Oh, that's really wacky. Okay. Is this on update?
of things we know.
Here, I'll make this more visible on OBS, because plus vector 3 dot left times move speed. Vector 3 dot left. Wait, one error? What do you mean one error, huh? Asterisk can we put out vector 3 and vector. Oh, I got a plus. Wow, that fixed it, I guess. I don't know why.
Back in Unity, press play, and whew, that's way too fast. Now you might think that you could just change this move speed variable to
It's
a
'cause it's
really
based
small
on the
number
frame
like
rate.
0.001, and that will work, but that's not actually the problem here.
It's
You
'cause
see,
it's per
code in
frame.
update just runs as often as it can. In fact, if we check the stats in game view, we'll see the game is running at over 1,000 frames per second. Sorry, PlayStation 5, 120 FPS? Pfft, that's got nothing on Flappy Bird. And the real problem is that the game may run at different speeds on different computers, and we don't want the pipe to move faster or slower depending on your rig. Real games have actually made this mistake. In Dark Souls 2, weapon durability was once tied to frame rate, so your
Oh,
swords
no.
would break twice as fast at 60 FPS compared to 30 FPS. That was a whoopsie. Luckily, it's a pretty easy fix. We just multiply it by time.delta time. This ensures the multiplication
Oh, is it in the... Oh, it's outside. Interesting.
happens the same no matter the frame rate. We didn't need it for the velocity code because physics runs on its own little clock, but otherwise we will need it. If you want to know more about this or anything really, the Unity docs are a good place to check. You'll find info.
Ooh, Unity docs. Oh, you can go docs.unity3d.com. Okay, we're gonna bookmark this. Yeah, Unity tutorials. Sweet. Okay, we got a bookmark. Let's go.
And sample code. Okay, now with that fix in place, our pipe moves smoothly across the screen. Lovely. Next, we want to create a system that will continually spawn new pipes.
Okay, I gotta use the bathroom. Although I will make sure this runs properly before I go. So, just gonna run this real quick. Let's make those friends. Oh, whoops. Oh man, I gotta restart. Okay. How do you go like all the way in the pipe? Like, what the heck? Yeah, it's clearly bugged. I'll come back to it later, but I gotta do something real quick. I gotta use the bathroom, so I'm gonna make it quick. A little thing real quick. I'll make it after I use the bathroom. Yeah, I gotta go. Use the bathroom. So, I'll be back. But I gotta go now. Or I'll be back.
Don't try this yourself. It's extremely dangerous.
Sorry about that, chat. Is this where it is? Is this where it is? Let's see what this is. Okay, wait. Oh, I think I got it. Okay. Oh, these are the microphones. If I talk into the back. Or wait, no, these are actually in the front. That's why it's been so loud. 4. Those are the microphones. I got out of my. Alright, stop the working. Okay, let's do this. Okay. So first let's fix this bug of mine that I have. If I run the project, I think it's in the code, right? Transformed up to stream turn plus x3.left. Multiplied by move speed.
Move speed. You could just running it over on different relatively FPS pretty easy. Pause the multiplication physics runs on its own little clock, but otherwise we will need it. If you want to know more about this or anything really, the
Did I set the move speed right? Maybe the move speed. What? Yeah, I set the move speed right. I don't know why. Bro, are you tweaking? Like, what the heck? Oh, I think I just failed to connect the script. Oh, I just never put the script in, that's probably it. I have to actually put the script in the pipe. I think I'm gonna... You have a lot of battery now, I'm gonna switch back to my other mic. Switching back to my other mic. Alright. Testing? Okay, sweet. So I have to search for yours.
Huh? Oh, right now? Okay. I'm gonna fix this bug, and I think I gotta end stream because I gotta eat dinner soon. I'll do an outro though. But, yeah, I just gotta... It's very simple. I just gotta... What? Did I never save it? File... Save... Pretty sure I saved this one. I just want to make sure this bug is fixed before I go. Let's go. I don't know why he's spinning though. Yeah, I don't know why he's spinning, but the rest works well. Let's fix that spinning though. Yeah, why are they spinning? Excuse me? Oh, I know why. It's because the friction. Because it's built into the physics engine. So it'll start off not rotating, but then as soon as it has friction with the pipes, it'll do the thing. See, so now if I select the pipes, I go into move, and I just move them over here, right? And I run the project. C's normal, and then as soon as the pipes hit, the physics engine causes it to do the thing. And then because of conservation of the whatever physics law, they're just spinning forever because it's like they're in space. That's really cool though. I like that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end it there because I gotta go. I'll do an outro. Let's save everything first. Save file, save file, save file, save. Okay. Is it Unity? Now file, save file. Okay, now what's out here? Okay. Alrighty, and now I don't know. I guess I'll buff up my camera or something. Let's see. This is a janky outro, sorry. Whatever, we'll do it like this, I don't care. Oh, it's so off center though. That's good. Okay. Thank you all for watching my live stream. Let me open up a good song here. Thank you all for watching my live stream. I really appreciate it. Everyone who showed up. Let's check chat real quick. What's everyone saying? We've got How to Get Over the Rainbow. Hi, I'm Joe. You do Unity, that's awesome. I do Unreal. Oh, that's sweet. Thank you, How to Get Over the Rainbow. Thanks for joining my live stream. Oh, is that World? Or, I just joined but your stream is ending, lol. Maybe I'll go back and watch the whole thing later. No worries. Well, thanks for joining. Yeah, that person's a regular viewer of my chats. Thank you everyone. Let's read off all the names. Large Mug, Dark Stars 101, Lava Droppings Love, Jack Baxter Dash Williams, Dragon Ball Shorts, D'Angelo, Omniwave, Code with the Flow, Psycon, Kian OG, How to Get Over the Rainbow, and I think I don't know I'm gonna butcher it. It's Sekai, I think, his world, regular viewer. Thank you everyone for watching my live stream. Of course, I didn't get anyone on Twitch and Kick, obviously, because there's like no way to advertise on those platforms. But otherwise, yeah, I had a fun time. Y'all can go and rewatch the VOD if you want to see all the context and everything. But I made my first video game today, which was it was just making a bird jump up and down using a space bar. But I also made one pipe move across the screen, and made it work with the frame rate so that it'd be the same across platforms. So that is very cool. And I gotta eat dinner now, so I'll be pretty much ending the stream here. Check out some of my other content. Follow my Twitch and my Kick to support me there, so like I can grow on those platforms too. Follow my Instagram, follow my TikTok, blah blah blah. You get the gist. And like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one. So thanks for watching, and maybe I'll do another stream later tonight if I really feel like it. It's a little late, but I might be able to do another stream. I don't know. Maybe later tonight. But yeah, I hope this PirateSoftware game jam preparation C# studying things go well, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye. Okay, wait, I gotta end the things manually, right? Stopping Kick. Stopping Twitch. And to save it for the VOD, I'll wait like 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Wait, I got some. Hold on, I'll play some soundboard stuff real quick. I'm gonna play that one soundboard song.
Oh, I've been married a long time ago. What do you come from? What year to go? What do you come from? Bacalado.
We'll get a bunch of these.
I like Fortnite. Did I mention Fortnite? I like Fortnite. It's nighttime. I need fun. It's nighttime. Now remember Cartoon Network Adventure Time.
I should use that song more often. The baby, I think it's Baby Something Something Tonight from the GTA 5 playlist. Probably copyrighted though, so I might delete it from the VOD, but whatever. I should use that more. Alright, bye YouTube in 10, 9, 8, 7. Wow, I'm really procrastinating this. 5, 4, 3,